We first need to import pi from math. From math import pi. Then we have to get input from the user, which is obviously the radius of the circle. This radius is in string and string cannot be multiplied with floats or doubles, hence, we have to convert it into float. Now our float value is stored in variable radius. We can multiply its square with pi as mentioned in the aforesaid formula. Final value, area, is stored in the area variable. We can print it on the screen to let the user see the final result. To concatenate the area with strings, we have converted it into string str area. Our program is working fine as we successfully write a Python program which accepts the radius of a circle from the user and can compute the area. But if the user enters alphabets instead of numbers, then it would not be converted to floats and the program gives an error. To solve this issue, we have multiple options, but one of the best is to wrap it in try, except block. There is something more that we can do with our program to make it more interesting. It works well, but what if the user wants to compute values time and again, then he has to run the program again and again. To enhance its functionality, besides to write a Python program which accepts the radius of a circle from the user and can compute the area, we can use any loop here. However, the best that I recommend is using while loop. After adding a while loop, our code becomes like this. In this way, we can write a Python program which accepts the radius of a circle from the user and can compute the area.